Hello friends, welcome to our channel Spoken English Entertainment. Today we are going to commence pronunciation video. In this video we will discussing about 5 pronunciation rules. If you are really interested in learning English, then you are supposed to put on full video, listen to very carefully and don't even miss single seconds. So, without any further delay, let's jump into today's lesson.
Let's go on with rule number 1. The words which end with TIL or CIL or SIL are pronounced shall, not CL. Let's have a look at some examples. If you want to learn right kind of pronunciation, repeat after me each word. Then let's come and practice. Initial, initial, essential, essential, potential, potential, beneficial, beneficial, facial, facial, judicial, judicial, commercial, commercial, differential, differential, controversial, controversial, social, social, spatial, spatial. Now, let's go on with rule number 2. The words which end with TION are pronounced shun. Let's get into some examples like education, education, situation, situation, organization, organization, examination, examination, pollution, pollution, identification, identification, calculation, calculation, nation, nation. Now I want to take you to rule number 3. The words which end with IOUS or EOUS are pronounced us, not ES, like precious, precious, auspicious, auspicious, delicious, delicious, judicious, judicious, suspicious, suspicious, prestigious, prestigious, advantageous, advantageous, courageous, courageous, superstitious, superstitious, inauspicious, inauspicious. Let's go to the next rule number 4. The words which end with ANT or ENT are pronounced unt, not ant, like important, important, student, student, incident, incident, urgent, urgent, hesitant, hesitant, arrogant, arrogant, instant, instant, accident, accident, superintendent, superintendent. Now, I would like you to go on with rule number 5. The words end with MENT are pronounced meant, not meant. Let's have a look at some examples like improvement, improvement, government, government, development, development, management, management, enhancement, enhancement, requirement, requirement, settlement, settlement.
Thank you so much for being with me in today's lesson. Then till practice a lot and speak English. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.